live. What's up, guys? See some people jumping in. Give it another minute and then we'll get started. All right, guys, this is M Breaks 2020 football mixer, break number 394. As you can see, we got a little mix of 2020 product up here. Select, Playoff, Donruss, Contenders, Chronicles, Optic, and Prism. So I'm going to do a quick roll call here, and still only a few people in here, but we'll do the roll call and we'll get started. So Anthony G has the Jags, Lions, and Redskins. Baja has the Eagles, Giants, Jets, Steelers, Vikings, and Cardinals. Chris Stevens has the Bucks and Patriots. Chris U has the Packers. Corey has the Chiefs. Dean has the Broncos. Jason W has the Bills. John has the Cowboys. Jordan has the Rams, Seahawks, and Titans. Joseph D has the Bengals and Chargers. Michael W has the Dolphins. Nathan has the Colts. Ricky Gonzalez has the Bears. Ryan has the 49ers. Scott the Falcons. Tony the Ravens, and then Zach with the Saints. So, all right, so what we got, again, Select, Donruss, Playoff, Prism, Optic, Chronicles. So hopefully we'll hit some of the, hopefully we'll hit some of the big monitors. Hopefully we'll hit some of the big names.
Gotcha.
Okay. All right, so we'll start with some of these. Let's see, we'll start with this Chronicles, or I'm sorry, Contenders, and then we'll begin the... All right, good luck, everybody. All right, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, Darius Leonard, James Conner, Amari Cooper, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen of the Jags, Terry McLaurin of Washington, Stafford, Jimmy G, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Hollywood Brown, Aaron Donald, and then we got a legendary Contenders, Dick Butkus, going out to the Browns. There we go. Wow, we got our first Herbert of the night, Rookie of the Year, Contenders. Nice hit there.
Right off the jump.
And And then we got a round numbers. That's Justin Jefferson and then Jeff Gladney, formerly of the Vikings. So a card that we do not have to roll off. I appreciate that. But then we spoke too soon. So we've got a round numbers with Xavier McKinney and Trayvon Diggs. And that's a green. So we'll put that aside. We'll roll that off at the end.
Both actually playing decent.
Yeah.
Well, McKinney was playing decent, but his season is over.
Yeah. Diggs will be over soon. All right. Let's do this Donruss hanger. Three people in the chat, or 3 people in here. Buckus to the Browns or Bears? I'm pretty sure that was Bears on the card.
Hand them to me, I'll look.
It's right there. It's on the back.
Yeah, it's Bears.
Yeah, I go to the Bears. Did he play for the Browns?
Maybe the C.
No.
They saw the C and they thought maybe it was Browns. Yeah, nice, about as dull as mine now. Since you got them jokes. Oh, I do have mine right there. My other one, 2.0.
What?
It's sharper than the one that can't cut anything.
Gotcha. Yeah, I might have said Brown.
Did you say Brown?
Might have been. What do you call it? Freudian slip?
Yeah.
All right, I think they should put more cards in their hanger. No. All right, Christian McCaffrey, Baker Mayfield, Jason Pierre-Paul. I mean, at least you put 50 cards in there. You should all put them in there the right way. Bobby Wagner, Jared Cook,
Seriously.
Greg Olson, Alvin Kamara, Richard Sherman, Daniel Hunter, Golden Tate, Dalvin Cook, Saquon Barkley, Justin Tucker.
Richie's on cold meds, so it might have been his fault.
Oh, gotcha. Happens to the best of us. Drew Bledsoe. Let's. You should take some NyQuil right now and see if you can make it through to the end of this break. Darius Leonard, Young Ho Koo,
Come on, man.
Carlos Hyde, Matt Ryan, Jelani Tavai, Kenyon Drake, Matt Stafford, and we'll flip. Roquan Smith, Sean Taylor, Ryan Kerrigan, Kevin Byard, Joe Namath, Jack Youngblood, Jared Goff, and then we got our press proofs. So that is Lynn Bowden Jr., and it goes to the Raiders.
I haven't seen a red press proof in a long time.
O.J. Howard, Shaquille Griffin, and Cameron Jordan. And our Dominators, Josh Allen to the Bills. We got an A.J. Dillon, the rookies. Chris Carson, Dominators. Ooh, nice. Got an Elite Series, Pat Mahomes.
They're sweet looking.
A little gold around the side. Power Formulas, Teddy Bruschi. We got a Legend Series, John Elway. A Retro Series, Dan Marino. Any other Syrian guy here?
49ers series, Joe Montana.
Drew Brees, and this is a highlights most career TD passes in NFL history, which now has been broken. And then we got the 90s, Todd Gurley, who fell off the face of the earth. Jeff Okudah, canvas proof. Some lines, nice hit there.
Hopefully he'll bounce back.
Yeah. Got a KJ Osborne rookie. Albert O.
There
rookie.
you go. There you go.
Devin Asiasi, Pats. And then we got the Jeff Okudah rated rookie to go with that canvas proof. So it's a Jeff Okudah box. Minka Fitzpatrick, Chris Jones, Alshon Jeffrey, and a Pat Mahomes. All right. do Chronicles. All right. Got a prism in here. Travis Kelce. Lamar Jackson. Randy Moss, the Patriots. Nick Chubb. Big Ben. Our first rookie is James Robinson. Hopefully he'll bounce back. Then we got another Omega, James Robinson, Jags. Another Omega, DeAndre Swift. And our Prism Black, DeAndre Swift.
Man, Lions are killing it.
Yeah. Lions off to a hot start. And then we got Laviska Shenault. Is that Gridiron Kings? Yeah. Braylon Edwards. Or Brian Edwards, sorry. Not Braylon. J.K. Dobbins Luminance. Is that the dude that used to play for the Browns?
It was a long time ago.
Zach Moss.
Showing your age, bro.
Yeah. Michael Pirine and T. Higgins.
Start the board if you want. You just heard it. Okay, Prism Black.
Some cards up there. Stay with the Chronicles. All right. Teddy B to the Panthers. Daniel Jones. Zeke Elliott. A Henry Ruggs rookie. Hollywood Brown. Drew Brees. CeeDee Lamb. First time I've seen him tonight. Palamahu. Deshaun Watson. Derrick Henry. It's like, whatever happened to Deshaun Watson? He just didn't play this year? He's not.
I guess not.
He wasn't suspended, right?
Yeah, I guess the Texans just decided not to play him.
Just had him out.
Worked out for him. A great season.
Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Denzel Mims. First Jordan Love of the night. Chase Claypool.
Got another Prism Black.
And another Prism Black. Clyde Edwards-Helaire.
Let's go.
Gabriel Edwards. Jalen Reagor. James Robinson. Justin Jefferson. Michael Pittman. This card's funny. It cracks me up because the ball is like right there and he's not even looking at the ball. His eyes aren't even looking at the ball. Patrick Queen. First two of the night.
Maybe he's looking at a vacation resort.
Yeah. J.K. Dobbins. Jonathan Taylor. Jacob Eason. Another Justin Herbert. CeeDee Lamb, and that's a green parallel, luminance. And a clear vision, Laviska Shenault. And a rated rookie, clearly, Jalen Johnson. To the Bears. The Bears.
Dude, what happened to the Colts, man?
They won in Jacksonville like 2014.
Man, they had 2 weeks though. They only needed one game. They were like the hottest. Like 3 weeks ago, they were the hottest team in the NFL.
That's Frank Reich for you.
You hate everything, coach.
I do, man.
Do you like any? You don't like any of them, dude. That's hilarious, man.
I don't mind Shanahan. It's just that he does some stupid stuff every once in a while. You know, like when you're up 28-3 in the Super Bowl.
Yeah, that was bad.
Everybody's killing the coach for the Chargers.
So they called the timeout.
Yeah, but
His reasoning made sense.
But they still have to run a play, and they're still going to run the ball. The bottom line is all you got to do is stop them.
Yeah, but I guess
you can't give up 12 yards.
I guess what everybody was saying though on their side was that they weren't going to call timeout. If they got that first down, they were just going to let it run dead.
But they still had to run a play, so they still were going to run the ball.
I don't think so.
Yeah, there was like 40 seconds left in the game, and there was like 10 seconds left on the play clock.
Because he called timeout the play before. Had he let that run all the way to the snap, if there's 40 seconds left to run 2 plays, you can...
I know. All they did was he called timeout, they ran the ball, and then they ran it, and then that's when they got in field goal range. They still had to run one more play and run the ball. Sorry. Drew Brees, CeeDee Lamb, back to the break.
Opine in the comments.
Justin Jefferson, I believe that's a pink Gridiron Kings. Our first Jalen Hurts in the night, score chrome. And let's see if you can see it's got a print line across it right underneath his chin there. Hard to see. Stupid print lines. And Zach Moss.
The worst.
Anybody in the chat got an opinion on the matter?
You need to touch ID, I think. And like reset your automatic sleep timer on her.
I didn't do it the whole last break.
Well, you must have had it engaged somehow. System dark mode is now on, it says.
All right, Troy Polamalu. Got another Herbert. That's a third of the night.
Herbie.
Juju Smith-Schuster. James Robinson, Clear Vision. And an Antonio Gibson, Luminance.
Did you see that Big Ben video where he was FaceTiming somebody during the end of that game?
Yeah, like Toby Mac or something.
Does he FaceTime Toby Mac during football games or what? Are they buddies?
I don't know. Deshaun Watson.
It's kind of weird.
Derrick Henry. James Robinson, pink. We got an Antonio Gandy Golden, clearly rated rookie. And Isaiah Simmons, Gridiron King.
Have you ever FaceTime somebody to watch a football game?
No.
Yeah, me neither. I think that's a normal thing to do. Unless, you can't see your dad or something. You need to FaceTime them, I guess.
Keenan Allen. Justin Jefferson. What, you don't want to FaceTime this weekend during the playoffs and watch the games together?
Not at all.
Jordan
I really don't even
Love,
want to be here right now.
Playoff momentum. DeAndre Swift, clear. And a Jalen Hurts, Gridiron Kings. I think Richie fell asleep on us. NyQuil kicked in.
It did.
We at least have somebody chatting with us. All right, Jim Kelly, Michael Thomas. We got a DeAndre Swift, pink luminance. Oh, nice. And a Justin Herbert score chrome.
That's nice.
It too has the same print line.
So maybe it's just the card.
Maybe it's just the card.
Like the Kaboons.
Like the Kabooms.
Gosh.
You can see it. But it's right there. Oh, and our first Joe Burrow of the night right behind that. Joey B. All right, 3 packs to go in that blaster. Mike Evans, Zach Moss, AJ Brown, Laviska Shenault, Clear Vision, and a Justin Herbert, Luminance.
Herbie.
So the downfall is now that we have to watch Big Ben play instead of Herbert in the playoffs.
I know. Did you see that? It was one of those funny NFL meme sites or whatever. It was thanks a lot, Raiders. Instead of watching Justin Herbert throw piss missiles all over the field, we get to watch the Hamburglar.
We get to watch 2 yard pass.
They called him the Hamburglar. They called him Ben Hamburglar.
Derek Carr, Ray Lewis, Malik Harrison.
But how about be mad at your defense?
Yeah.
Dude went down the field, scored 15 points in 4 minutes.
All right, clearly rated rookie, CeeDee Lamb, Cowboys, and a DeAndre Swift, Gridiron Kings. Hon, there it is. Another score crew. Cam Newton, T. Higgins, another Herbie, and that's a pink. And nice, that's a nice shiny card there. Chase Claypool.
The Prism?
That is what is it? Dynagon
or whatever.
Dynagon Prism, yeah.
That's cool.
So he'll be running 5-yard slants, 5-yard passes this weekend. Make sure you catch him on Saturday night.
Doing his victory dances like during the 2-minute leg drill.
Jake Fromm. Jake Fromm. My God, that guy looks good.
Dude, that poor guy, they just throw him to the wolves, man. Hey, look, man, we're going to run this play. We're going to snap you the ball, and we're not going to block anybody. Ready, break. Dude, they make the skins look good. That's hard to do.
All right. Chronicles. So we had do we have 2 score pros in there? Oh, I think.
We got a bunch of them.
And then that Donegan.
Yeah. Did all right with the Chronicles, man, with the Prison Blacks and the Score Crows. We did all right.
Jalen Hurts. That's gonna the Eagles. Did the Eagles play the Bucks this week?
Yeah. They're going night-night.
Joe Burrow. That's Chronicles. Gabriel Davis. Travis Kelce. Darnell Mooney. Clearly rated rookie for the Bears. Good looking receiver there. I think I read somewhere he's like the only receiver under contract for the Bears.
Oh, really?
Next year.
Not bad.
And then Jonathan Taylor Luminance. I always think this corner is ding, but it's just there's a part of a uniform there.
Oh.
Yeah. Like it's the helmet of that.
Great.
Another Jonathan Taylor. Right behind that. Chase Young. First time we've called his name tonight. And another Herbert.
First time we called his name this season.
Pink Luminance. And right behind that, we've got a Jalen Reagor, clearly rated rookie. And Jacob Beeson, Gridiron Kings. I think the ship has sailed on Jacob Beeson. With Ellinger being the backup. He came in earlier this year and threw like 2 passes and threw a Cooper Kupp.
You go somewhere else.
Cooper Kupp can eat a fat one. Jalen Hurts.
What you mad at him about, man? Fantasy?
No, it was bad because he kept scoring on the 49ers.
Oh, come on, man. You gotta let that go.
All right. Playoff momentum.
Did y'all win that game?
Yeah, we did.
Then why are you still hating on him?
Justin Herbert.
They're worried about Dak. They them boys, man.
They them boys.
Yeah, they going home. You gotta send them home, man.
I'll see you're going to root for 49ers.
Heck yeah. What do you mean? Like, are you serious? That's not even a question.
You're going back to rooting for Shanahan.
Dude, look, man. One of the worst days of my life was when the Eagles won the Super Bowl. I can't have the Cowgirls win another one.
Robbie Anderson, Tiki Barber, DeAndre Swift, Pink, and another Chase Claypool, Legacy, with a surprised look on his face, and Jerry Jeudy, Luminance. All right, 4 packs of Chronicles to go, and then we'll switch over to playoff. Jerry Jeudy.
You caught me off guard, man. That was good.
Chase Young. Randy Moss. That's a pink. Gabriel Davis, clearly rated rookie. And Jonathan Taylor, Gridiron Kings. That's some volume on the Jonathan Taylor.
Yeah, man, there's a lot of those.
But it would be nice to get a Prism Black in the black.
Yeah.
Brandon Ayuk. First time we've seen him tonight. And Kyle finally found him halfway through the season. Like, hey, I got
He shows up late, man. That's just how he rolls.
Got another receiver I can throw to. James Robinson. A Jake Fromm pink. DeAndre Swift, clearly rated rookie. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Chiefs. 2 packs to go.
Clyde Clyde Edwards,
I know
penny
why.
sleeve
Because I
sleeve
think
sleeve.
Clyde on that.
Oh, it's not playing. Oh no.
If it was playing the video. Get out of here.
Apple don't like them fat fingers, man.
There we go. Let it stay up.
All right.
Hopefully they catch up.
You sure you can keep it up that long?
DeAndre Hopkins. Joshua Kelly. Prestige. Ooh, got a nice one behind it. Nick Chubb. A legacy.
Nice.
Joe Burrow. And
Chrome.
that is a prism. So nice hit there.
Oh yeah.
A nice little shine to her.
Oh yeah.
Right behind that, we got a Jalen Hurts Luminance. All right, last pack of Chronicles. And we got a Tua. George Kittle, the People's tight end. Jacob Eason, Pink Luminance. Another DeAndre Swift. And this one's not the Prism variety. Just the base. And Brandon Ayuk, Gridiron Kings. All right. Switch over to playoff, and then we'll do select and optic, and then we'll finish off with that prism monster. And this is the biggest fat pack known to man. 40 cards. All right.
Takes a real man to hold that fat pack.
Yep. Javon Curse, Ed Reed, Tony Gonzalez, Vance McDonald, Devin Singletary, Peyton Manning, Jamison Crowder, Drew Lock, and we'll turn, Devontae Parker, Raquel Armstead, Cam Newton, Champ Bailey, Jarvis Landry, Mike Williams, Deshaun Watson, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Our parallels, so we have the kickoff parallel of Xavier Howard, Nick Bosa, and Antonio Gibson. This is the goal line parallel. And behind the numbers, Patrick Mahomes, and a call to arms on one Dak Prescott. Our rookies, we have Zach Moss, the man, the myth, the legend, Josh Uche, Isaiah Coulter, Henry Ruggs, Raymond Calais for the Bucks, Tyler Lockett, Aaron Jones, Carson Wentz, Curtis Samuel, Jalen Smith, Daniel Hunter, Cooper Kupp, Steve Largent throwing it back, Marvin Jones Jr., Kenyon Drake, Ryan Kerrigan, Alvin Kamara, Michael Gallup, and Adam Thielen. All right,
This one up there.
yeah, we get that up there. Sorry, DeAndre Swift. All right, time for some select. Ooh, this one's got the old security thing on the back. Maybe
Is that a good sign?
Maybe that's a good sign. We'll see. Josh Jacobs, Jedrick Wills, my bad. Jacob Eason, Julio Jones, got a Chase Young, Josh Allen, thick card, Joshua Kelly, Justin Jefferson, I believe that's the club level, yep. Nice hit there for the Vikings. T. Higgins, select certified. I almost said Chad Ochocinco when I. We got a turbocharged Joe Burrow. Hot Stars Tom Brady. an Unbreakable, Joe Namath. And we got a silver. That's the silver concourse, Mike Evans. Got a bad centering on that. Old Man Rivers in the back, and Jeff Okuda. And that's the premier level. Jeff Okuda. Hanger time. What do we got? Color. Maroon die cuts. Maroon die cut series. All right, here we go. Zeke, Jalen Reagor, Nick Chubb, Antonio Gandy Golden, Juju, Joe Reed, Raekwon Davis, got a Clyde Edwards-Helaire club level, and our die cuts. So Adam Thielen, the Vikings, Lamar Jackson, and those are the concourse. And we got a club level, Clavon Chasen to the Jags. Or is that club level or is premier level? My bad. Club level, DeMarcus Lawrence. Cowboys. And our silver, one of the best quarterbacks in the league, just led his team to a 3-month vacation, 4-month vacation. Carson Wentz.
It all pays the same. Or maybe it doesn't. They get bonuses.
Jerry Rice, Unbreakable. Got a Michael Pittman, Select Certified. Ross Blacklock, Rookie. J.K. Dobbins. Brian Edwards. Aaron Donald. Had a great game last week. And Joshua Kelly. Field level. Not the right Charger that we wanted on the field level. All right. Oh, shoot. I skipped right over this playbook.
You did. Playoff.
Playoff.
Playoff. You did.
Just went right to the select.
You did.
My bad. Got too excited. Got out of turn there. That just means we're due for a nice little prism in this box.
Yeah. One of those called arm prisms or something like that.
All right. Canoe Neal, Debo, T.J. Hawkinson, and we got a rookie wave, C.D. Lamb. Just the base. On to the Cowboys. A.J. Dillon, first time we've seen him all night. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Joe Mixon, and Josh Jacobs. Glad I caught that before I got into that outfit.
Got one hand. I'm being stinking.
Overwhelmed.
Penny sleeve, like slave over here.
Patrick Peterson, Joe Theismann, Drew Brees, Antonio Gandy Golden, and that's a kickoff parallel.
Oh, snap.
Followed by Jake Luton. Jags, Minka Fitzpatrick, Jim Kelly, Gardner Minshew, and our first kid reporter of the night. All right. Amari Cooper, Kyle Rudolph, Raheem Mostert, behind the numbers, Troy Polamalu, DeAndre Swift, rookie, Lev Bell, Von Miller, and Chad Ochocinco.
I like that one to roll off too. Okay.
Yeah. Michael Thomas, Evan Ingram, Todd Gurley, Aaron Donald, and that's a parallel kickoff. Josiah DeGuara, tight end, getting some run lately for the Packers. Keenan Allen, David Johnson, and Noah Fant. All right, we got 2 more packs. We got a mem card in this one. I'll put that down. We'll come back to that one. All right, Kenyon Drake. We do got a prism. Ryan Kerrigan.
Nice.
Alvin Kamara. And nice to the Chiefs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire behind the numbers. Nice little red prism there. Nice little color match. Card looks real sharp. Congrats to the Chiefs. Clavon Chasen, rookie. Tre'Davious White, D.D. Westbrook, and Sam Darnold. Ice Maker. Chiming in. Michael Gallup, Adam Thielen, Terry McLaurin, and a call to arms, the Chiefs box, Patrick Mahomes.
Getting all his inserts.
And Joshua Kelly, rookie card. Melvin Gordon, Jermaine Pratt, and Chuck Woodson. And this last pack, which has a thick card in it, so it's got a little mem card, which we're going to slide that to the back. So we got a rookie wave, Chase Claypool. It's orange. That is not a prism, just a base. Rookie wave. Followed by Cam Akers, rookie, the Rams. Good to see him back. Tyler Boyd, Darren Waller, James Conner, Steve Largent,
Cooper Cup.
Marvin Jones. And nice, we got a rookie Stallions patch. CeeDee Lamb, the
That's
Cowboys.
Cool. Congrats.
So, congrats to the Cowboys.
We're going to see if they done boys.
They them boys. All right.
The only time I ever listen to Stephen A is after the Cowboys lose a big game.
He just puts those videos on there when he's wearing a cowboy hat smoking.
Like just bag it up for like 5 minutes.
Steve A. All right. Optic. We should have our blue scopes in the back here. Looks like we do got a silver in there. All right, quarterback of the future of the Washington football team, Dwayne Haskins. Mike Williams.
Why are you so cold, man?
Josh Allen. Mike Thomas. OBJ. Juju. Devontae Adams. A.J. Brown. Keenan Allen. Mark Andrews. And we got a rated rookie negative variation, KJ Hamler to the Broncos. And our silver is, ooh, nice.
Wow. That is sweet.
Tom Brady. Little off center,
That's nice.
as most optic cards seem to be. But nice hit there to the Bucks. It's a good bargain tonight for the Bucks.
Yeah.
I think they went pretty cheap compared to usual.
Like under $10 probably, didn't they?
We got a retro Fran Tarkenton. A Elite Series rookie, Laviska Shenault. KJ Osborne, rookie. Ashton Davis, rookie. And our rated rookie is Denzel Mims. Out to your New York Jets. There's a nice hit for the Cowboys. Trayvon Diggs.
Wow.
Blue scope.
That is sweet. Color match.
John Hightower to the Eagles. And our Raider rookie, Jerry Jeudy. So the Broncos. Broncos box. So that's nice. Nicely centered, too. That one actually looks really good. So congrats to the Broncos. All right. Time for the Prism. These will be the laser prisms.
Laser.
Pew pew. Have you seen those little videos of that dude? Goes pew pew. And he's in the convenience store and he's hiding behind the drink racks and he just has a water gun and they open up to get their drink and he just goes pew pew. Sometime in your downtime, you search this.
People get mad?
No, it's just hilarious.
Oh, gotcha.
Cracks me up.
He just sits there and waits, huh?
All right, six packs. Here we go. Kenny Moore to the Colts. Tyler Boyd. And we got points card, which we do not ship those. And then our first laser prism is Captain Kirk.
Hey, look, it ain't his fault, man. He had like his best season. He's making Thielen and JJ lots of money because they're gonna get paid.
Khalil Mack to the Bears. Zadarius Smith. There we go. Jalen Johnson, rookie to the Bears. And we got an Anthony Gordon, rookie to the Seahawks. Laser prism. Wait, welcome to the laser show. All right. Tremaine Edmonds. Joe Thomas. We got a silver. And it is a rookie. Is to the Ravens. Devin Duvernay. Going out to the Ravens. Silver rookie. Nice hit there. And we got a Brilliance Drew Brees. It's been a while since I opened one of these.
Yeah, it has been.
Julian Edelman. Byron Murphy. Nice hit for the Packers. A.J. Dillon. Good looking running back there. And we got a Jarvis Landry. Cleveland laser prism. All right, 2 packs to go. Kenny Stills, Joe Namath, Calvin Ridley, which means we're going to have a rookie laser, and Xavier McKinney, Giants. All right, last pack. Lenny Fournette, Deebo Samuel, Antoine Winfield Jr., rookie to the Bucks, and Von Miller, laser prism. All right, guys, that wraps it up. We'll do, give me a second, we'll do a quick recap here of some of our hits in order, or no particular.
Yeah, they're in order.
Oh, look at you.
Some players.
Show off. All right, so we got Lamar Jackson, maroon die cut. Tom Brady, hot stars. To go with that silver optic prism. Pat Mahomes Elite Series. And behind the numbers and call to arms. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. We had this prism. Behind the numbers, red. Devin Duvernay, silver. Xavier McKinney, Laser Prism. KJ Hamler, Optic Rated Rookie Negative. Jerry Jeudy, Rated Rookie Blue Scope. CeeDee Lamb, we had quite a bit. We had the Clearly Rated Rookie, the Rookie Wave, the Green Luminance, and a Rookie Stallions patch. Sticking with the Cowboys, we had the Trayvon Diggs, Blue Scope. Jordan Love, we had a Classics, and A.J. Dillon, a Prism-based rookie. For the Steelers, best friend.
No.
Chase Claypool, Dynagon, Prism, Dynagon, however you want to say it.
There is
Swift.
hold on, there is a correct pronunciation.
What is it?
It's not Dine Again.
Whatever. I watch too much Cars. Dynaco.
Yes, Dynaco Racing. Very good.
All right. Prism Black, DeAndre
You
Swift.
can't just say, hey man, tomato, tomato. What
Tomato,
else?
tomato. We had a Herbert. Justin Jefferson. Oh, I see that Herbert all mixed in.
Oh, my bad. I had him in the wrong
Jefferson.
spot.
Justin Jefferson, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then
That's
select.
nice.
Couple Tuas. Chronicles, Gridiron King. Joe Burrow. Let's see. We had the Chronicles with that Panini Threads. And
That's just
Turbocharged. All right. Prestige. Herbert. The Pink Chronicles Luminance. Pink Luminance and the Panini. And going to our big board, we had the Jalen Hurts
But you never changed.
Score Chrome. We just get rolling, man.
You did.
We just get rolling. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Prism Black. The Herbert's Score Chrome and Rookie of the Year. Our bigger Burrow hit was the legendary Prism, Silver Prism. So thanks everyone for participating. Make sure you like and follow us on Facebook. We'll be back again next week. Not sure what we're doing, but we'll be back with some breaks next week. So make sure you like and follow us. And thanks for hanging out with us. Oh, real quick, before I forget, we got to roll this card off.
Oh, that's right. Good call.
Always forget that. So just so we have some video evidence. So on the top half of the card, we have Xavier McKinney of the Giants. Bottom half, Trayvon Diggs. So top half will be 1, 2, 3 on the die, and the bottom will be 4, 5, 6. And that is a 5. So that will go to the Cowboys. So congrats on that. All right, guys. Thank you. We'll see you next time. And have a good one.